When it comes to restaurant payment systems, two names stand out across the United States and Canada: Toast and Clover. Both are designed to handle payments smoothly, manage orders efficiently, and help restaurant owners run their businesses with ease. But they each bring a different personality and focus to the table. Let's break down how Toast and Clover compare and which one might be the better fit for your restaurant. Toast was built from the ground up for restaurants. Everything about it feels designed for the food service industry, from the order screens to the kitchen display options. The hardware is sleek and durable, built to handle busy kitchens and dining floors. Toast runs on the Android operating system and offers handheld devices for servers, countertop terminals for cashiers, and self-order kiosks for guests. It is a complete ecosystem that fits fast-paced environments. One of Toast's biggest strengths is its software. It connects every part of the restaurant, from taking orders and processing payments to managing menus, staff, and reporting. It works seamlessly for dine-in, takeout, and delivery. You can even manage online orders directly through Toast without relying on third-party services. The analytics dashboard gives clear insights into sales trends, popular menu items, and employee performance. It also integrates with payroll and inventory management, so everything stays connected. Now let's go to Clover. Clover takes a broader approach. It is a flexible payment system that works for restaurants, retail stores, and service businesses. The hardware is clean, modern, and customizable. You can choose from handheld readers, countertop stations, and portable devices depending on your needs. Clover's system runs on its own network, and it is available through many payment processors, giving you flexibility in choosing pricing plans and merchant service providers. Where Clover really shines is in customization. The app marketplace lets you add new features as your business grows. You can install apps for online ordering, loyalty programs, gift cards, and employee scheduling. It is like building your own point-of-sale system piece by piece. For restaurants, Clover handles orders, modifiers, and table layouts easily. Though it is not as tightly focused on food service as Toast, it is perfect if you want versatility and room to adapt your setup over time. In short, Toast feels like a dedicated restaurant solution designed by people who understand the industry inside and out. Clover feels like a flexible business tool that can be shaped into a restaurant system when you need it. Both handle payments quickly and securely, but the choice comes down to focus versus flexibility. If you want a system that is made for restaurants from the ground up, go with Toast. If you want a platform that can adapt to different business types and grow with your needs, Clover is the better fit. Either way, both make payments faster, service smoother, and diners happier across the US and Canada.